427 small block Ford. Just got done running it. Give you a description of this combination. It's got our cylinder heads on it. It's got an Edelbrock air gap. Quick fuel 750 MSD Pro Billet. Custom grind hydraulic roller. It's got the March serpentine belt. Make sure the alternator works for you. Rear sump oil pan. Get you in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3,400, 491 foot-pounds of torque. Peaks torque 513, good and flat there. Peaks horsepower 485, rate at 500. Front end's about 20, so everything's good. Get her off there in the crate, coming your way. Have a great day.